Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar fell 0.5% against the yen in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair rose 1.2% in the last session, after gaining as much as 2.6% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The oil dollar pair dove 1.7% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
US stocks ended lower, with the Nasdaq falling more than 1% and technology shares leading declines after a disappointing Salesforce forecast. Investors also digested data showing the economy had grown slower than previously expected in the first quarter. Crypto losses from fraud and hacks declined by 12% year-on-year. A total of $52 million was lost over the course of the month, down from over $59 million in the same month last year. In addition, the figure represents a 28% decline compared to the amount lost in April. The dollar fell after revised data showed that gross domestic product, the broadest measure of economic activity, grew at a slower pace than previously expected in the first quarter, ahead of key inflation data readings.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's retail sales will be released at 6 GMT. The US personal income at 12:30 GMT, Japan's construction orders at 5 GMT. The US personal spending will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's harmonized index of consumer prices at 9 GMT, Japan's annualized housing starts at 5 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.